Hi, this is Camry. Welcome to my channel. So, do you want to see how I recently remodeled our hallway bathroom? I did so much in here. I painted, changed the floor, I even decorated with a minimalist style. So, today I'm going to bring you with me while I clean the bathroom and put up the decor. If you would like to see how this bathroom looks now, just keep watching. This is how this bathroom looks right now. I need to do the cleaning and I need to add the decor pieces. The first thing I'm going to clean in here is going to be the tub because we had the toilet sitting in here while we were changing the floor and there's just a lot of debris and yuckiness in here. I am wiping the tub with a wet rag just to remove all of the debris that I don't want to go down the drain as I'm cleaning.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down.
Today I'm using the Bang bathroom and shower cleaner that I got in my recent Dollar Tree haul to clean the bathroom.
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can't do better.
These magic erasers work really well to get all of the dirt and scum off of the bathtub.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. Silly baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it.
Lime Away really cleans my toilets. It takes away all of the hard water stains and it cleans it so well. And the cheapest place I have found to buy it is at the Dollar Tree.
Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't.
My sink still has sawdust all over it.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare simple. Now all we do is turn nothing into rain, and I've been acting all insane. I feel you bringing out the worst inside of me. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. Oh na na, wish I wasn't right. Whoa.
I bought this new shower curtain and it reminds me so much of a hotel or spa shower. My kids painted these paintings for me, and actually I just uploaded a video about how we made these framed paintings on a budget. So if you would like to see that video, tap the I, or it will be linked in the description box below. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and for more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!